Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix network profile keeps changing automatically on Windows 11. First method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. Select Wi-Fi. Forgot all networks. Second method is type services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open WLAN AutoConfig, change startup type to automatic, click Start, click Apply, click. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Uninstall device. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.